Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change Taptic Chimes schedule interval to hourly, 30 minutes or 15 minutes on the Apple Watch 7. First press on the crown button to go back to your watch face, and on the watch face press on the crown button to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the settings icon, and then we go down and tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on chimes. In here, make sure it is turned on if you want to use it. Next, tap on schedule, and in here you can select hourly, 30 minutes and 15 minutes. You only have 3 options to choose from, so select one of the 3 options and then tap on the back key to go back to your settings, or press on the crown button to go back to your watch face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.